In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly share Udemy courses with friends, family, or colleagues, ensuring that everyone can benefit from the vast array of educational content available on this platform. Whether you're looking to recommend a course that has personally helped you, or you want to facilitate a group learning experience, sharing courses on Udemy is straightforward, and I'm here to walk you through the process. First things first, let's get you logged into your Udemy account. Begin by navigating to the Udemy website and clicking on the login button located at the top right corner of the home page. This will bring you to the login page where you have various options to proceed. For a quick and seamless login process, click on the Google icon to use your Google account for logging in. This option allows you to bypass typing in your email and password manually, making the login process faster and more secure, especially if you've already synced your Google account with other services. Once you click on the Google icon, you'll be prompted to choose which Google account you want to use for logging in. If you're already signed into one or multiple Google accounts, you'll see them listed here. Choose the one that is associated with your Udemy account. After successfully logging in, your next step is to access the courses you're currently enrolled in or have recently completed. To do this, navigate to the My Learning section of Udemy. This is essentially your dashboard for all courses you've shown interest in, giving you quick access to pick up where you left off or to dive into new learning material. Now let's get to the sharing part. Locate the course you wish to share by browsing through your My Learning section. Once you've found the course, you'll notice three small dots or an ellipsis symbol adjacent to the course name or thumbnail. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. In the menu that appears, you'll see an option labelled Share. Click on it to proceed. This action opens up a new set of sharing options, allowing you to choose how you'd like to share the course. The simplest and most direct way to share is by copying the course link. To copy the course link, look for the Copy button or icon, which is usually represented by two overlapping squares or a document symbol. Click on Copy, and the course URL will be saved to your clipboard, ready to be pasted and sent via email, text message, or any social media platform to the person or group you'd like to share it with. Sharing Udemy courses is not only a thoughtful gesture, but also a fantastic way to foster a learning community among people you know. Whether it's a course that has significantly impacted your career, a new skill you're excited about, or simply a subject you find fascinating, sharing knowledge is empowering. A few additional tips to make the most out of sharing Udemy courses. Consider organizing a study group or a learning challenge with friends to keep each other motivated. You could also share courses during specific times of the year when people are looking to learn something new, such as the start of a new year, or during a career change. Remember, the joy of learning is magnified when shared. By following these simple steps, you're not just recommending a course, you're potentially sparking someone's interest in a new hobby, career path, or personal development journey. And there you have it, you're all set to share your favourite Udemy courses with anyone, anytime, helping to spread the gift of knowledge far and wide. Thank you for watching and happy learning.